Someday you'll come home to my love, and he'll be big and strong, so my love. And when he comes my way, I'll do my best to make him stay. He'll look at me and smile, I'll understand, and in a little while, he'll take my hand. And though it seems absurd, I know we both won't say a word. Maybe I shall meet him Sunday, maybe Monday, maybe not. So I'm sure to meet him Sunday, maybe Tuesday will be my good news day. He'll build a little home just meant for two, from which I'll never roam. Would you? And